Everybody in the club getting tipsy. Look at with my round.
So what you want to do is get it to the middle of your tongue, let it roll back and breathe a little, and then that way you can smell and taste all the notes and stuff in it, and then it'll go down smooth, but you'll still get that burn right here.
Okay. Thank you so much.
I love that. Okay. So I need to probably stop drinking shots with the tip.
This will be dangerous for you.
You're gonna arrest us? You know, that's how you know we're good.
All right, y'all. So this is gonna be a Girls' Day Out in Houston Black Girl Magic Edition, okay? We're going wine tasting today. And the goal of this vlog is to show you that, like, everything doesn't have to be grand. It doesn't have to be a trip. It doesn't have to be over the top. Like, I found this deal on Groupon, and we're gonna be tasting wine for $10. Like, I'm gonna break down, like, obviously all that we spend, because this is a money channel, okay? Teaching Black women how to, all women, but especially Black women, how to create your dream lives with your 9-to-5 income. And everything doesn't have to be grand. It doesn't have to be luxe. And you may not always have money to travel. Like right now, I'm sitting down from traveling until, you know, later on in 2025. So for now, it's like I'm just finding small little things to do that are fun. That's not the club, even though I don't go to the club. That's not the bar, like not lounges, none of that. So I'm about to eat breakfast, then I'm gonna get dressed, and by the time I finish, my friends will be here. So let me show you what I'm eating. So a little brekkie grits, cause yeah, I'm Black, with a family from Louisiana. A little sausage and Dewey sausage, some eggs, and I'm getting water right now, baby, because I'm gonna be drinking later. It's wine day, so yeah, keeping it light, trying to get protein, carbs, all the things, and my water bottle's coming with me everywhere.
Get it, girl. Get it. Come on now. Come on now. This is so cute. Bubble Jumbo. Is it better?
Everybody in the club getting tipsy. Look at with my round. Yeah.
on the last fry. Jocelyn, survive, girl.
We ain't got no seatbelt on this one though. It's slow
Ain't got no
and steady.
seatbelt on. What's the song? Ain't got no panties on. Ain't got no
I
panties
don't know
on.
that song.
Especially, ain't got no seatbelt on. Ain't got no seatbelt
We
on.
going up and then down. Booty
Like,
going up.
like Tay Pendergrass.
That's T-Pain.
Yes.
T-Pain. Here we
You
go.
look at us like, what
Up
y'all
and down.
doing?
Slow and steady. No seatbelt.
She's over us. We done had on a roller coaster, a little, what is it called, slip and slide? I don't know.
Twirly whirly. It was
She's
cold.
over it. But she survived.
Everybody just hungry.
I'm very hungry.
I'm hungry too, but this is our last one.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.